Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 5th, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Today we are discussing in this chapter perpendicular lines and classification of triangles, in which we learn different type of triangles. So watch this video up to the end carefully, then you understand better. Okay? Now we start from perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. That is, AB perpendicular to CD. Like this. This is the line and this is another line, and this is the angle, right angle. So these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay? Now we take a line AB. Let AB be a line segment like this, and M is its midpoint. Okay, and MN perpendicular to AB. And M is its midpoint. Okay, and MN perpendicular to AB through M bisect AB and also perpendicular to MN. So MN is the perpendicular bisector of this line AB, and we can represent this like that. MN perpendicular to AB, and if the M is the midpoint of AB, then we can say MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so this way we can express the perpendicular lines. Now we learn classification of triangles. Okay, we know that triangle is a polynomial having minimum sides, least side. That is, a polygon cannot having less than 3 sides. So a polygon having 3 sides is a triangle, and we have to classify them on the basis of side. Now this is the classification based on side. Okay, first type is Escaleni triangle. A triangle having all 3 unequal sides, okay, is called a Scaleni triangle, like this. Here this is a triangle in which all 3 sides are unequal. They are not equal to anyone. In this case, this type of triangle is considered as Scaleni triangle. These two are Scaleni triangle because these all 3 sides are unequal. Okay, this type of triangle is known as Scaleni triangle. Now second type, isosceles triangle. A triangle having 2 equal sides is called isosceles triangle, like this. Here these 2 sides are equal. Here these 2 sides are equal. this is normal isosceles triangle and this is right angled isosceles triangle, because here the angle is right angle and these two sides are equal. So this way the isosceles triangles having two equal sides, okay, and these triangles also having two equal angles, angle opposite to this side, this, and angle opposite to this side, this, are also equal. This is a property of a triangle. Same here, the angle opposite to this side is this and the angle opposite to this side is this. So these two angles are equal and this angle is right angle. So these two are 45-degree angle. Okay. This way we learn the triangles. Now we learn third triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle having three equal sides is called equilateral triangle. Like this. In this figure, all three sides of this triangle are equal. So this triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Lateral means side and all three sides are equal. So name is equilateral triangle. Okay. But the angle opposite to this side and this side and this side are also equal, because the sides are equal. So the angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So all three angles are also equal in equilateral triangle. Okay. And they are just 60 degree, because sum of all three angles is 180 in a triangle. So these three angles are 60 degree because their sum is 180. Now we classify the triangle based on angles. Okay. This way we can also classify the triangle. Now, acute angled triangle. If each angle of a triangle is less than 90 degree. Here, this is a triangle in which all three angles are less than 90 degree. So, all three angles are acute angle. Therefore, this triangle is known as, then the triangle is called an acute angled triangle. This is acute angled triangle. This is the classification based on angles. Okay. Now, right angled triangle. If any one angle of a triangle is a right angle, then the triangle is called a right angled triangle, like this. This is a figure of right angled triangle. Okay. In this type, one angle is right angle. So this is a right angled triangle. Okay. Now, the third type of the triangle is obtuse angled triangle. This is obtuse angled triangle. If any one angle of a triangle is more than 90 degree, then The triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so this type of classification cover all triangle. Okay, so learn this and utilize this to solve your 2 exercise. This is your homework. Okay, have a good day. Thanks.